Mga katropa, this is the African yellow, African DC. I'm now here in this farm. As you look at, so very nice and looking good. And I have also here another color, which is pink color, and assorted, have also white. At the same time have this one pink, then this one is white. So this is a big farm of all the flowers here. So thank you for watching. Hope you can like and follow and share and comment below, and please subscribe Juliet Pulyaganas. Thank you for this wonderful day and for your watching all over the world.